Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. So, ayan. I will do the panty Shein haul again. Okay, sige. Hindi pala ni Shein. Binili ko lang siya sa mall. Okay, binili ko siya sa mall and then, ayan. So, dahil nga there is more panty haul na nakita kong video, so sabi ko bibili ulit ako, and then I have already one video na ginawa, so I bought again another panties. Okay, so bikinis. Okay, so guys, binili ko talaga siya doon sa mall dito lang sa amin, and then naghanap ako ng size kasi ibang size nito eh. I don't know if this is malaki or maliit, small or medium sa akin. Okay, hanapin natin. Maganda siya guys, there is no garter. Ayan, suot natin to siya, try natin. I really like this kind of garter, yung parang maliit lang siya. So ayan, pink siya, parang pink na red. Okay, so susuot natin to siya, and then let's see if it's fit. Ang fit naman siguro, diba? Okay, so the one is, I really like this also because this one is yellow. Wow, my favorite color is yellow guys. Okay, so this is yellow and seam. Ayan yung garter niya, the same. And then yeah, maganda siya guys. This one is for everyday wear. Ayan. Okay. So diba ang ganda niya? Look. Handa lang siya, ganyan. Anong size nga nito? Ang size nito ay white. I don't know. There is no Okay. You know how much is the one? Wala siyang size, but I think this is medium. Okay, this is medium. And then, how much is this? Ayan, sa dalawang, 29 pesos. Okay, 29 pesos yung dalawa, 60 pesos. 60 pesos. So, nabili ko lang siya ng 50 pesos. So, $1 lang yun siya, guys. $1 to panty. Okay, let's try this para naman. So, excited to wear. Okay, you choose guys which one is better for me. Okay, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe kung what is the best color for me. Okay, comment below what do you like, okay, for me. Okay, so next time I will know what kind of color should I wear. Okay, let's go. So ito siya guys, ayan. Maganda ba siya guys? Ito yung pink. Ayan, maganda ba siya? Feel ko naman is okay naman siya na medyo maliit. It's a bit small guys. If I sit down, I don't know. I think this is small. So ayan yung pink. Okay, yung isa naman. So guys, ito na ang yellow. Ayan, same is small also guys. Small. This is small to me guys. So this is not. Actually, this is for everyday wear lang. Talaga, it is small. Okay. Small siya. But anyway, I like it also. Sobrang maliit nga lang siya, but I like it na. Ayan. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching.